Okay, today I got this thing of chicken. I'm going to fry it in the oven. I've got a little bit of peanut oil in the bottom. And I got it with flour. And I'm going to cook it for at least 45 minutes to an hour. It's unthawed. Put salt and pepper, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, Ronnie went out in the garden and got these green beans. Now we're going to cook them. Our chicken's still in the oven cooking. We got zucchini, yellow squash, and we got more cucumbers today. And we're going to have us a garden supper only with chicken, green beans, and zucchini, and the yellow squash and some cucumbers. So we're going to put some salt in here. We ain't got no pepper. We got a cup of red beans. We already washed them. Eight cups of water. We got a pound of green beans. Eight teaspoons of chicken bouillon powder, just for flavor. Okay, we're going to put it on high pressure, and we got the on ceiling. We're going to cook this for for 50 minutes. Okay, we'll be back with the rest of it. I put it down, this down here, because I got to have the stove. So I'm cooking on the stove and that. So I got to do something. Thanks for watching. Here's our chicken.